Hello friends, my name is Parag Kade. Today I am going to tell you how to make tea and some information about tea. So let's start. After water, tea is the most consumed and popular beverage in the world. The scientific name of tea is Camellia sinensis. Tea has a refreshing and astringent flavor and I like tea very much. Tea has been discovered first in China by the Chinese Emperor Shennong. In India, every person starts their morning with a cup of tea, and we know that tea is very popular in India. So this was some information about tea. So now let's learn how to make tea. First we need these ingredients: water, sugar, tea powder, milk, ginger and cardamom. So first we have to take a teapot and put it on its gas. Then we have to add half cup of water in it. After adding water, we have to add 2 spoons of sugar and 1 spoon of tea leaves. Then we have to add 1 cup of milk in it. After adding milk, we can add crushed cardamom or small pieces of ginger in it. After adding these all ingredients, we have to boil it for 5 minutes. After it boils, we have to strain the tea and serve and enjoy. So this was a recipe of how to make tea, and this was my presentation on how to make tea. Thank you.